Oh yeah, here it is. Cam Family Entertainment, worldwide exclusive. Yeah. Woo. What up? Here's another one. Yeah. This one's for you, Jackie. Woke up this morning and looked into your eyes. Girl, it looked to me just like the sunrise. With your hair all over your face, seemed to put everything in its place. Made me think of what a lucky man I was. I don't think that you understand, because I can tell the world you are my wife, and I can love you for the rest of my life. Seems like we only met yesterday, and I won't forget, oh man, what a day. Though it's been more than 30 years, your first hello is still ringing in my ears. The way you look like a tomboy, and how you turned into such a great mom. Boy, kids are lucky just to call you mama, cause you helped them with their little dramas. I'm thankful for all the things you did, especially for raising the kids. This is for the mother in you. Yeah, it's me. I'll always be true.
That I'll always be true. This is
I already knew.
How I already knew.
This love, girl, gonna last forever.
It's gonna last forever.
Like the time when Camille scraped her knees, screaming, she came running to me. I tried to fix it, she didn't want it. I sent her to you to put something on it. Like the time when Rocky broke his wrist, he came running to me and I insisted that he go and play and shake it off. Had to get a cast, couldn't take it off. Like when it came to the subject of dating, and they hated it when I was always waiting up for them to get home and get up in their grill. You were the one who was telling me to chill. The most important thing of all is to trust them. Let them tell us on their own, don't rush them. Don't criticize the things they do, and you know they always tell you the truth. I'm proud of all the things you did, especially for raising the kids.
This
is for the mother
in you.
Yeah,
it's me.
I'll always be true, girl.
That I'll always be true.
Right on. I already knew.
How I already knew. This love
make me wanna sing something. I can say I never met a girl, no, who satisfied my mental and my physical, man. When I lay me down to sleep, I rest assured with the thought that you are right next to me.
This is for the mother in you. That I'll always be true. How I already knew. It's gonna last forever.
This is for the way you bake the dinner, the way you clean the house, the way you wash the clothes, the way you pay the bills, the way you give lunch money, the way you give advice, the way you listen to the kids.